Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add elements on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the third option, the animate, at the upper side of the screen, and select a picture from your gallery. New, tap to the element button next to the effects option at the bottom of the screen, and here you can find different elements, for example animals, objects, different shapes and more, and just select one, for example a butterfly, and you can add to your project that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.